Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered about the mysterious world of pythons? Well, buckle up because today I'm diving into some shocking python facts you never knew. Let's get started. First off, did you know that pythons are among the largest snakes in the world? Some species, like the reticulated python, can grow up to an astonishing 30 feet long. That's as long as a school bus, and they can weigh over 200 pounds. Imagine encountering one of those in the wild. But wait, it gets even crazier. Pythons have an incredible ability to swallow prey whole. Thanks to their stretchy ligaments and jaws, they can consume animals up to twice their size. Ever seen a python devour a deer? It's both terrifying and fascinating at the same time. Now here's a fact that'll blow your mind. Pythons are also exceptional swimmers. They can stay submerged for up to 30 minutes, silently stalking their prey underwater. So, if you're ever in python territory, keep an eye out both on land and in the water. And did you know that pythons have heat-sensing pits along their jaws? These pits detect the body heat of potential prey, allowing pythons to hunt even in complete darkness. It's like having built-in night vision goggles. How cool is that? Python moms are pretty hardcore too. They're known for their dedication to protecting their eggs. After laying them, they coil around the clutch and keep them warm through muscle contractions, a process called shivering thermogenesis. Talk about parental dedication. But despite their fearsome reputation, pythons are generally not aggressive to humans. Attacks are rare and usually happen if the snake feels threatened or cornered. So, respect their space and they've got no beef with you. Finally, here's a fun fact. Pythons can go months without eating after a big meal. Their metabolism slows down significantly, allowing them to survive on just a few large meals per year. Imagine only eating a handful of times a year. So, there you have it, folks. Pythons are truly remarkable creatures with some jaw-dropping abilities. Next time you come across one, you'll know just how incredible these snakes really are. If you enjoyed these python facts, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more wild adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay wild.